So what's going on, YouTubers and all the two-stroke-world.com people? Here's my 77 RD400. It's been completely rebuilt from the ground up. Only thing I haven't done is paint the tins yet, but I'll get there. The bike was built in conjunction, I guess, with me and Chuck Quenzler, Mr. Supertune on Two-Stroke World forums. Chuck did most of the hard stuff, rebuilding the entire motor from the ground up. We literally went the whole way through it. It has TM34 flat side carbs, 66.25 Y-scos in it, cut heads, full stage 2 porting, spec F1s, fully built transmission. Pretty much everything that you can do in an RD has been done to it. I think this one was like, I don't even know, a couple $1,000 just for the motor set. We took it all the way down to the frame, built it back up, you know, did a couple things. I think his name's Garrett on the forums, caliper conversion for the R6, R1, blue dot brakes, you know, powder coated the entire frame, rebuilt the forks, did emulators in it, all kinds of stuff, quick throttle, Hagen shocks for my weight, you know, it's kind of dirty because I do ride it a lot, but you know, just did a full frame off, powder coat, just rebuilt from the ground up. It's pretty sick. I'm a pretty heavy guy. I weigh 300 plus pounds and it pulls me along no problem. I'm not the best rider, as you're gonna see in the next up and coming clip. Still scared of her. It does want to pull the wheel up in first and in second, so I'm kind of scared to really get on it, so I just kind of roll onto the throttle when I'm riding it. Another thing is I can't really lean on the tank because I had the GoPro in the way, so yeah. But you know, super nice bike, super nice build. I love my RDs, my first two-stroke. You know, and it's phenomenal. I mean, it's really a fun, super fun bike to fucking ride. But yeah, big ups to shout out to Chuck Quenzler. He's the guy or the mastermind behind this build, I would assume. I'm just the guy, you know, with the vision. He was the one who made it happen. So big shout out to Chuck. I hope to see you soon. Hope you guys liked the video. Enjoy.